Hello. In the previous video, I explained how to record a test case for functional testing of API. In this video, I will explain how to prepare the test case which was recorded in the previous step. To start the preparation, click on the Prepare Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on For API button. Now click on the Choose File button. Serve to the folder location or where you have saved the test case. This is the test case. Click and open the test case. Now the test case has been uploaded. Click on the Prepare button to start the preparation. Wait till the preparation is complete. Now the preparation has been completed. In the Jenkins, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job for easier execution. This is the test case which was prepared in this step. This is how you have to prepare a test case for API. In the next video, I will explain how to execute a test case, which is prepared in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For furthermore assistance, contact us on sales@testonneed.com. Do follow us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.